Wow, beautiful out. Look at that snow. It's real fluffy. And today is Sunday. It's November. We haven't had the end of November. We've seen December's dry. But look at this. Isn't that nice? I guess I'll have to save some seeds and put them aside for birds. This is pretty good. I love when it snows, when you don't have to drive to any distant cities, places. Oh, that's great. Gotta love it. Ciao.